Canva Video Timeline Basics: How to create a video on Canva. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to simply use the timeline right here on Canva when you're creating a video. The link for Canva will be given in the description down below. You can simply go ahead and sign up right now in order to create amazing videos. So let's start with the process. Simply open up your Canva, and then you will go to this option right here on video, because today we are going to be editing a video right here. So this is our blank canvas that we get on Canva, and you can notice that the pages are replaced with scenes right here. This is our timeline. In order to increase and decrease the timeline, you can simply drag. Let's say that I want to create a video which is going to be for 10 seconds. There you go. Now we can simply go ahead and get this template right here, and it will actually help us understand more. You can see right here, this template has 4 scenes right here. And I can simply decrease the size and the time for all of these different scenes from here. We can split a scene by right-clicking and then simply selecting split page. And now my scene has been actually converted into 2 separate scenes. We can click on these 3 dots and we can add a new page, duplicate the page, or delete the page as well. We can also add different transitions at the start of a scene or at the end of the scene from this option. Simply click on add transition and you can add maybe this one, and it will be added here. Now if I play, you can see that this is the transition and this is the scene. Next thing that you can do on the timeline right here is that we can simply drag and drop any of the scene wherever we want to put it. If you want your 3rd page to be shown after your 2nd page, you can simply drag it and drop it wherever you want to. The total duration of a scene is also shown right here, and the total duration of the video will be shown here. You can see right now it is 21 seconds. I can actually go ahead and decrease the time. After that, you can see there is a music added. This line at the end is going to be the music line. And if I click right here, then you can see this is the music that has been added. It also works with the timeline right here. And we can drag it to kind of like decrease the music and add more than one music to each scene. So let's say that I want to add a music to my first 2 scenes, and then simply go to audios. In audio, we can simply select any kind of audio from here, and it will be added right here. Now I can simply drag it and place it wherever I want to. We can also split the volume and the sound. We can adjust it, add audio effects, and more. We can also go ahead and animate our different scenes. You simply select a scene and then you can click on animate, and you will be able to animate a page or scene separately. You can see. Now I can add a transition maybe between these 2 scenes. Simply click right here, click on add transition, and add this one. Now there is a transition when we go from one scene to another. So this is how simply the timeline works on Canva. It's really easy to use and allows you to create professional videos with a lot of different transitions and effects. If I want to show you the complete video, this is how it looks. Once you're done with the video, you can simply go ahead and share it. From here, you can click on download and download your video as MP4. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know all the timeline basics on Canva. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.